Now, how do you turn on haptics and vibration in a silent mode on your Android, right? So you need to know that there are different modes which you can switch in between. So if I'm on the home screen and swipe down to access the control center, you can see that I can change between the regular, like normal sound mode. I can switch it to the vibration mode or a complete mute mode. So naturally, the difference is that the mute doesn't have any sound or vibration, and vibrate only has vibration and no sound. So this is very simple. Just go through these options right here, or you can also hold down on the toggle and it moves you directly to the settings where you have more options and things to tweak. So in here, you can actually switch between the same mode. So you can choose sound, vibrate, or mute, and also play around with some different vibration settings. So you can choose a silent vibration for your call, right? And if you have that, then you won't feel it. So then just click on the sync or choose a specific vibration pattern. You also have vibrations for notifications as well, so make sure these are turned on, and some other things like the system ones as well as the intensity. So you should make sure that it is turned up the way that you want it. So perhaps you have the mode turned on but you can't feel it because it's like too low set in here. So this is another place where you can find some settings to tweak and you might find it very useful. So I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do and achieve what you wanted. If not, let me know what's going on with your phone specifically. But that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later in the future videos like this one.